So 3 times Omkaram.
Om,
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 Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha.
Bhagavad Gita Satsangam.
Bhagavad Gita Satsangam.
So today we are going to study a very important topic as we are going on leave very soon. So today we'll be touching upon a very important topic. Once we come back from the leave, also we'll start off with a new important topics. Today's important topic is basically so is basically um, Samadhav Achala Buddhi and Samadhav Achala Buddhi Stasasi Nichala versus Vyavasayatmika Buddhi Samadhona Vidhiyate. There are two concepts today. The purpose of our human life, our attempt, our understanding, our knowledge, our education, our self-discipline, everything will lead us at the time of our death, or our success of our life, success story of our life itself is actually on these 2 points. There are 2 aspects. One aspect is Vyavasayatmika Buddhi Samadhona Vidhiyate. Samadhi means the meditation, concentration on God. Now vidhiyate, it doesn't stay there. Vyavasayatmika Buddhi, the thinking, concentration on God. Now vidhiyate. Second concept is Samadhav Achala Buddhi Tada Yogam Avapsate. Samadhav Achala Buddhi comes there. It comes there in second aspect. We will able to achieve it, accomplish it. So this two. So ultimately our success depends on the Samadhav Achala Buddhi. When you are samadhi, when you are meditating, when you are concentrating, when our mind and intellect doesn't waver, that is the success of our life. Otherwise, there is no point. You say, for example, I am doing meditation, or you are doing meditation. I am doing meditation, for example, samadhi. Meditation is samadhi. Achala Buddhi. Achala means the mind, the intellect doesn't waver. Achala, chalam, achalam. Chalam is moving. Like say, I'm doing meditation, but I'm thinking of new car I'm likely to purchase, or I'm going to think about where Mr. Raghuramanji is going in Jaipur, house, which colony, how journey it is. And I keep thinking these kind of things. And when will we restart this thing and all this thing, or tomorrow what will it is? Achala Buddhi. Okay, sir. And second one is Samadhav Na Vidhiyate. One is Stasasi Nichala, stays Nichala, it doesn't waver, unwavering. One is the Samadhi Achala Buddhi, unwavering, stays there. Second one is Na Vidhiyate, it doesn't stay at all. It keeps thinking of so many things. This gentleman, that gentleman, this and that, and all the things it keeps thinking. So what is the good actually for us? The mind, the intellect which stays on God in concentration is the most valuable property for us. That is our real wealth. Rest everything is no problems at all, no use at all. So that concept we are going to cover it up today. What is that? So basically, sir, in chapter 2, in 45th sloka, he says, Vyavasaya Atmika Buddhi. Today we are focusing on the buddhi, intellect. That we have to understand that buddhi we have got it, but we don't use it at all. That is the problem with us. What do they use? You have property of 1 crore rupees, you don't use it. I have got property of 1 crore rupees, I am not using it. No, whatever. The buddhi, our buddhi is our property, our mind is our property, which we don't realize. We waste it on all external matters. So that is today we are focusing on the Samadhav Achala Buddhi and mind. So in chapter 2, everything is focused on Bhagavad Gita, depending on Bhagavad Gita only. In chapter 2, 41, he says that Vyavasay Atmika Buddhi Ekeha Kurunandana Bahusaka hi Anantacha Buddhayo Avyayasayana. I repeat this again. Vyavasay Atmika Buddhi Vyavasay Atmika Buddhi Vyavasayatmika buddhi means that Vyavasayam you understand, no? That farming and all that.
Yeah.
So, but it's not that literal meaning. Vyavasayatmika buddhi means the buddhi which is focused on the God, on the soul realization, self-realization.
Self-realization.
That everybody is bhakta. So many people are all are bhaktas. You are also bhakta. I am also bhakta. There are hundreds and tens and lakhs of people are bhaktas are there. So bhaktas are there. So Vyavasayatmika buddhi, the buddhi which is constantly thinking on God, that is ekeha kurunandi. That is only one. Bahusakahi anantacha buddhayo avyaya sayanam. Other than that God thinking, avyaya sayanam. Vyavasayatmika buddhi, that is one aspect. Avyavasayanam. Avyavasaya means that is not there. So not on one point. There are many points. Takes multiple points. ठीक है सर? तो मेरे देश में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे स्टेट में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे गांव में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे फैमिली में क्या हो रहा है, मेरे रिश्तेदारों में क्या हो रहा है, अव्ययसायत्मक बुद्धि, मेरा उस फ्रेंड का क्या हो रहा है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, सो मेनी अव्यय. But whereas Vyavasayatmaka buddhi, we focus on, like today now we are sitting for 1 hour for Bhagavad Gita. We are only focusing on Bhagavad Gita and Lord Krishna's teaching. That is Vyavasayatmaka buddhi. Ye ke. So we are not talking about anything else here right now in this 1 hour time. So Vyavasayatmaka buddhi ye ke. So but question is how to get that Vyavasayatmaka buddhi ekeha prunandanaha. Prunandana means Arjuna. So how to get it for us? But how to get it? That is important to us. Otherwise it becomes avyaya sayanam. Yes, sir. So when in the competitive exam, when we write exam, there are lakhs of people appear for the exam, and those who qualifies, he gets into interview and selection process. Who doesn't qualify the exam is automatically failed. He is neglected. So avyaya sayanam is already neglected part. Only our portion is the vyavasayatmaka buddhi. Like we have come right now for 1 hour Bhagavad Gita satsang. This is vyavasayatmaka buddhi. That is why we could come here. So Vyavasayatmaka buddhi eke purnana. But how to get it? So for that he further says, Karmajam buddhi yukta hi phalam tyaktva manishanaha janma bandha vinurmukta padam gacchanta anamayam. This is Karmajam buddhi yukta hi, buddhi, that Vyavasayatmaka buddhi fellow, like intellect fellow, that fellow, that person, what he does, he or she, phalam tyaktva manishana, karmajam phalam tyaktva. When we do a karma, then it gives a phalam. Whether good or bad it gives. Say you donate 1,000 rupees to somebody, it gives phalam. You may not ask for it, but it comes to you automatically. And similarly, when we cheat somebody of 1,000 rupees, again it gives a bad karma. It comes automatically. So, but I feel proud that I have cheated that person. I feel proud that I have showed my anger and arrogance into somebody. But then phalam comes automatically. That fellow could not attack, counter me. But the phalam comes automatically. So that is why we should not do such things. So karmadam buddhi yuktahi phalam tyaktva manishnaha janma bandha vinurmukta padam gacchanta. That means what he says is ki, before this he says that karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phala heturbu mate sango asta karmani. He says that. So sir, so that is that's how we have to karma phalam. We have to take tyaktva, leave it. We have to leave it. Don't have to ask for it. You are doing something good for your children, do it, and that's all. Don't expect any return from them. I am doing good for my children, my wife, my family. I do it and forget it. That's all. If I do some good for the society, I do it and keep quiet thereof. Phalam tyaktva. No more honor and recognition and all this. Then we should not crave. If it comes automatically. That is a different matter. We are not asking for it. So sir, so we are talking about buddhi only. So one buddhi aspect is the phalam tyaktva of the works. That is one aspect. Then what will happen? Janma bandha vinurmukta. The birth and death is happening to us. We have seen this ants and all these things. All are jivatmas. That's why it is moving. The life force is there in it also. The life force is there in you and me. That is why we are coming and sitting here talking and listening to Bhagavad Gita. So the Janma Bandha Vinurmukta, that life and death birth circle gets we become free. Vinurmukta, we become free from it. We get disentangled from that entanglement of birth and death cycle. So, and Padam Gacchanta Anamayam. Thereafter what will happen is Padam Gacchanta, Padam, the position, Anamayam. that is the God that is birthless and ajo ups and avyatma bhutanam Vishwa. We reach that state. Possible. For us, it is possible. That is what Lord Krishna said. So for this he said that two things, yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyo samabhutva samatvam yoga. So yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva. Like we are doing now Bhagavad Gita satsangam, we are doing it yogastha yogam. This is jnana yogam we are trying to do it. Bhakti yogam we are trying to do it. Karma yogam we are trying to do this. In this right 1 hour satsangam, all three are there in this. Karma we are doing, karma, listening to Bhagavad Gita, reading to Bhagavad Gita, trying to understand Bhagavad Gita, karma yogam, jnana yogam also, it generates jnanam, and then bhakti also, because bhakti it is there, but without bhakti we can't do. So bhakti or Lord Krishna, devotion, that's why we are doing this. So, yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddho samabhutva samatvam. What the merit or we don't get merit is the whole credit as equal, but we do our job. Buddha Sharno Anvicha, he said that Buddha, this Samatva Buddhi, that's what we are doing. That Buddha Sharanam Anvicha, we should surrender ourselves to that equality. And Buddhi Yukto Jahati Iha Ube Sukruta Dushkute Tasmat Yoga Yujasat Yoga Karmasakam. Such Buddhi Yukta, such intellect person, he overcomes both Sukruta Dushkruta Ihe Ube. यहाँ पे है just leave it. So thereafter sir, यदा ते मोह कलिलम बुद्धि व्यति तरिष्यति तदा गंतेस्य निर्वेदम श्रोतव्यस्य श्रोतस्य च. So that's how the when we focus on God, then only for this 1 hour we are focusing God, we will be able to buddhi vyati tarishyati. Buddhi moha kalilam, moham, moha kalilam, papam, the sinful attachment. There's so much attachment, we don't understand. So that moha kalilam, buddhi vyati tarishyati, it crosses out. This intellect now for 1 hour you don't bother about what is happening, families and all. In the world, we are only focusing on the God, Bhagavad Gita. So buddhi vyati tarishati, that ours is already crossed from the mundane earthly life to the Bhagavad Gita, soul knowledge. Tada gantasi nirvedam, such people, yada tarishati, tada gantasi nirvedam, slota vishas. Then we are not attached with it. Right now, what is happening between Russia and Ukraine, who is bombing war there and all. What is happening right now in Israel and Palestine, what's happening, all we don't bother, we don't know what's happening right now. So tada gantas and nirvedam, srota vyasas, listening and then non-listening and understanding, all this srota vyasas, srota sicha, that listening and then speaking also, all this thing, the buddhi crosses over. Then what happens, sir? Shruti vipratipanna, te yada stashish nichela. This is buddhi, yeah. Shruti vipratipanna te yada. Then this is, after this satsang is also over, then we go to respective homes. There are a lot of stories people will tell us, this thing ye ho gaya, usko wo ho gaya, ye karna. Out of this, all this thing, when buddhi, yada shruti vipratipanna, shruti listening and all this thing, and understanding binna te yada stashish nichela. Our intellect of listening also, we should not get confused and start running it all over. When we are stably understanding what is the thing, buddhi stasas in nichela. When it stays, intellect stays calm and cool, stable. Samadhav achala buddhi tada yogam. When the intellect stays this, and then he samadhav achala buddhi. But then it doesn't waver from the remembering of the God. Samadhav achala buddhi, when the intellect doesn't move. Achalam, it doesn't move. Chalam is moving. Achalam is non-moving. Like a lamp, without the air, it stays still, fixed, constant. Achala buddhi. Samadha achala buddhi, tada yogam. But then we get the yogam. Which yogam? Buddhi yogam. Okay, sir. Now, for this, he says that ragadvesha viyuktaishu vishya nindrai chir. How to do this? Chapter 2, 64-65. Ragadvesha vyuktaisu vishyan indriya charan atma vashay videy atma prasadam adhigachati. So for that, ragadvesha vyuktaisu, we should not get either anger or like or dislike. Ragadvesha, liking or disliking, we should not get it. The moment you see somebody, you feel elated, you see somebody, you feel depressed. It should not happen. We should maintain a normal equanimity. Ragadesha Yiktesu, Vishyan Indre Charan, Atma Vashe, when we have self control which is there, then our mind and body, Vidhe Atma, obeys to us. You know, prasadam, then such people will get prasadam. Prasadam means mental peace. That's how we get the mental peace. All connected to the samadho achala buddhi. Prasade sarva dukhanam hani asti upadayate prasanna chetaso hi asu buddhi parivartis. Such prasadam, mental peace, sarva dukhanam. So if you are mentally peaceful, I am also mentally peaceful. Then what happens if somebody says कि यार तेरा वो हो गया, तेरे को वन करोड़ मिल गया, तेरे को 1 crore लॉस हो गया है, तुम्हारे बिजनेस का था यार, तुम्हारा वो शिप डूब गया है, तो वी प्रसादे सर्व दुखानाम हानि अस्ति. The mental peace when it is there, then sarva dukhanam hani, so it will attack the dukhas. Mentally peace is not disturbed immediately. So you are a merchant, you are doing a ship merchandise in the sea. So by chance somebody will inform you, sir, आपका जो है that ship, that your business, your items were sold is for double profit. It has become, say, 10 times more profit. Sold up like anything immediately, with double 10 times more profit. Instead of getting 1 crore, you got 10 crores. They say that. And you should not get too much elated and all that, but mentally calm, mental some prasade sarvadha. You got mental peace. So what happens is, okay, 10 times 10 crores into 1 crore, 10 crore, very good, very good. Okay, you can think of giving dividends and some profit to the workers also. Like that you can say. But similarly, somewhere at the same time will say कि सर आपके जो शिप जो है तो कोई टॉर्पेडोस में आ गया है, कोई सी पायरेट्स अटैक कर दिया है, something, or suddenly some tsunami has come and suddenly ship has got overturned. So they will tell you like that. Then what happens कि you shouldn't get agitated. अरे मेरा शिप चला गया, मेरे 1 crore का सामान चला गया, oh my God. You start crying, weeping, that dukkha you should have. So, prasad, that mental peace will sarva dukhanam ane. Some dukkham comes to it, it stops it. Then prasanna chetasaha is the important word. Like say, prasanna chetasaha means that our consciousness, our energy, your energy, my energy, that's called chetasaha. That's called buddhi. Prasanna chetasaha, mentally calm, peaceful person. That too, God is telling us to become like that. He is telling us such a wonderful advice He is giving us. Like our parents, mother and father, He is telling us. So we should remain prasanna chetasa. We should remember even this one word. Our life is made. Prasanna chetasa. He also buddhi parivartisha. Such mentally calm, peaceful people, they can easily focus on God. Now you have come here to listen to the Bhagavad Gita because you are prasanna chetasa. I have come with the Bhagavad Gita book and to read Bhagavad Gita. Prasanna chetasa. Mentally calm, peaceful people, we are not affected by the world. To such people, he ashu buddhi parivartisha. Immediately such people's mind is absorbed in the God. So this is samadho achala buddhi. Now another concept we are talking about, to some people mind is not absorbed in the God. Who are such people? I will tell you that. Kamatmanaha swargapara janma karma phala pradam kriya vishesha bahulam bhogesvarya gatim prati. So some people are there. So what happens is some people they talk about a lot of activities. This you get it, you will get this money, this is it, this is ratas, karmas, it will give you a lot of punyam and all that thing. Such people, instead of focusing the mind and heart on the God, they keep telling you, you do this, you go there, you go there. They keep telling a lot of things. Such people are also there, no? A lot of people do a lot of business. So such people are kamatmanaha. So if I wear some rudraksh malas, 5-mukhi rudraksha, 3-mukhi rudrakshas, 2-mukhi rudraksha, 1-mukhi rudraksha, this is rudraksha, so then if I wear, I'll get wealthy and become wealthy. That become wealthy kamatmanaha. तुम्हारा अच्छा हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा बिजनेस बढ़ जाएगा, Kamatma. Such things should not be there. We should wear it for the sake of God only. If you have to wear.
The chapter.
Chapter 2, 43, 44, 45. 45. So, Janma Karma, Kamatmanaha, Swargapara. Such people say that you will go to Swargam. Definitely. Do this, you will go to Swargam, and there what you will do? Again, Kamatmanaha. There Ramba will be there, Varusa is there, Manaka is there. They are there, 60,000 Apsaras are there, and they don't get tired of making love. Number of times you can make. Swargam is like that only. You will enjoy.
Without the body.
With body, there is the body is there. Body of that Devaloka body will be given to you.
A Devaloka body can have a Devaloka body.
You will become Deva. No, you will become Deva, and then the Apsaras will start coming and making romance with you. They will start making love with you, romance with you. So Swargapara, Swarga Sukham, Kamatmanaha, Swargapara. They will give you liquor, wine of Devalokas and all those things. So all those things, such people think that once you go there, Kamatmanaha, if you do all these things, Swargapara, Janma Karma Phala. But these things are Janma Karma Phala Pradam. But these things if you do, Janma Karma Phala Pradam. This will happen. Birth and death will happen. That is it. We go, say, okay, we may go to Swargam and enjoy there. There God gives you, instead of 100 years, there's the life, is their lifespan. Instead of 100 years, you live with 1,000 years. After 1,000 years expiry, we will have to be born again, reborn. How say he may give you 10,000 years. Even after 10,000 years of time, when there, you have to come back born, and whatever we don't know. So 1 lakh years also, you after 1 lakh years, you will time will be over. They'll say कि 1 lakh years आपका हो गया है, आपका तो फिर आपको यहाँ छोड़ना पड़ेगा. You have to vacate it, no?
And get trained.
Whatever, we have to vacate it. Vacate the place. Transit camp. होटल में आप जाएंगे, आप बुक करेगा 3 days का, 2 days का, 1 day का, 10 days का. But after that they'll say, sir, that kind of thing. So it is also like a 5-star hotel only. Swargam. So, but then he says that is a Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. Such people they keep lot of Kriya, lot of activities they tell. You do this, you will go to Swargam. You go to this, you will go to Swargam. You go to this temple, you see Prabhu, you go to Swargam straight away. They say Kriya Vishesh Bahulam. But वो कहाँ जाएगा, कहाँ तक जाएगा? What? How many people have gone to the Kailasa Parvata? Only few, hundreds and thousands of people. Crores of population. 140 crore population. You mean to say at least 1 crore have gone? No. So maybe 1 lakh, 10 lakhs people have gone. But 140 crore. But so Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. They keep telling, go this, go there, go there. हो जाएगा, स्वर्गम पहुंच जाएगा. स्वर्गपरा. कामात्मा है स्वर्गपरा. जन्म कर्म फल प्रदाम. भोग ऐश्वर्य गतम प्रति. भोग ऐश्वर्य गतम. भोग ऐश्वर्यम will happen. You will enjoy too much. Beautiful. You will enjoy beautiful life. Beautiful food, beautiful drinks, beautiful girls, beautiful apsarasas. Even after that also you will be born as a really rich family. Thereafter also you will enjoy. So then they keep telling us like this. It will happen. They'll attract us like this. Then what happens? Bhog Aishwarya Prasaktanam Taya Apahruta Chetasam Vyavasatmika Buddhi Samadho Na Vidyate. Then what happens? Say for example, I tell you like this, all these things. Or you tell me also. Like this, कि yes, आप ऐसा कर लो, स्वर्ग पहुंच जाएगा, you will enjoy life. So if I listen to it, take your advice. And then भोग ऐश्वर्य प्रसक्तानाम तया प्रसक्त. मैं अपने दिमाग पूरा उसमें लगा दिया मैंने. यार मैं उधर जाऊंगा, नर्मदा नदी में जाऊंगा, डेली स्नान करूँ, बहुत पुण्य मिलेगा. एक बार स्नान करने से बहुत पुण्य मिलता, पाप धुलता. गंगा नदी में एक बार स्नान करने से पाप सारे धुल जाते. बट आई कीप एक बात वहीं रहूँगा, जब तक मरूंगा नहीं वहीं रहूँगा, वहाँ डेली गंगा में नहा के स्नान करता रहूँगा. और मेरे को 10-15 साल सुन करके मैं स्वर्ग में पहुँच जाऊँ. तो भोग ऐश्वर्य प्रसक्ता नाम तया अपहृत चेतसाम. ये जो चेतसाम अपहृतम, stolen, our mind is gone into that only. Then to such people, Vyavasatmika Buddhi Samadho Na Vidyate. To such people, Vyavasatmika Buddhi Samadho. Such people cannot focus on the God. If I tell you on one side there are two paths, on one side is that sir ये भगवान है, यहाँ पे वो है स्वर्गलोक है, रंबा उर्वशी मैंने कहा है, आपको अच्छा खाना मिलेगा, फ्री, सब फ्री, एंजॉय, ऑनर गेट्स देयर, जस्ट लिव एंड एंजॉय। से भगवान इधर थोड़ा सा है, थोड़ा बैठ करके 1 घंटा मेडिटेट करना पड़ेगा, 1 घंटा भगवद गीता पढ़ना पड़ेगा, 1 घंटा रामायण पढ़ना पड़ेगा, 1 घंटा भजन करना पड़ेगा, नाम संकीर्तन पड़ेगा 1 घंटा 2 घंटा। यू विल से नो यार, लेट मी जस्ट सी दैट दिस व्हाट 99.99% इज हैपनिंग विद द जीवात्मा ओन, ही इज सेलेक्टिंग हिज ओन। फिर उसके बाद फिर वो वहाँ सब खत्म होने के बाद फिर ये चीज़ें हो गई, ये crores, human beings are also crores, ये तो uncountable, so जीवात्मास, we are also like this, that's why we have to be very careful about this. So our attempt is कि व्यवसायात्मका बुद्धि समाधो न विधीयते versus समाधो अचला बुद्धि, ठीक है सर, श्रुति विप्रतिपन्ना ते यदा स्थासु निचला समाधो अचला बुद्धि तदा योगम आवाप्स्यसि। We should try to keep our mind and intellect samadhav achala buddhi, that is the today's concept. For that we have to do buddhav sharanam anvacha, ठीक है sir. So this concept I wanted to tell you. Now sir, one more thing is there to such people, like for example I told you na, kamatmanah swargapara janma karma phala pradam kriye vishesha bahulam bhogaiswarya gatim bhogaiswarya prasaktanam taya apakruta chetasam व्यवसायत्मका बुद्धि समाधो न विधीयते. We studied this. This continuation of that, what happens again in chapter 2 only. So 66 and 67, यततो हि अपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपच्चितः इंद्रियाणि प्रमादीनि हरन्ति प्रज्वं मनः. Like you and me, we are trying to we are trying to focus on God, read Bhagavad Gita, do satsangam and all that, to leave all the other things immediately, not to get entangled too much. We are trying, even to such people also, one is people are trying, second one is people are not trying to forget it totally, they are absorbed with the sense enjoyment. Even those people who are trying also, Indriyani pramadhini haranti prasvam. Our senses are so dangerous, they capture our mind. Even though we are studying Bhagavad Gita, discussing Bhagavad Gita, praying God and thinking of Bhagavad Gita, our senses are so this thing, they take our mind away from here also, somewhere else. That is the power of the Indriyas. They take away our mind. And mind and intellect are our property, they are very important to us. So then na asti buddhi ayuktasya na cha ayuktasya bhavana na cha abhaveta shantihi ashantasya kuta sukham. God is asking a logical question. But if the person who is not yuktaha, who is ayuktaha, who doesn't focus on God, who doesn't focus on himself, his soul, then he doesn't have any mind, buddhi, nacha buddhi, he doesn't have any intellect. He doesn't have any intellect because I don't focus on myself. I don't know. Like you must have seen a lunatic person. Lunatic person, they don't know, they don't focus on themselves. Then what happens? You don't know where he gets up, where he goes, how far he goes, what he does. He doesn't know. Ayuktasya, nacha buddhi ayuktasya. He doesn't know, na? Lunatic, very memory gone, forgetfulness gone, everything is gone. He is not focusing on the God, soul. Like say, should be careful, everybody should be careful. Okay, my body should be properly protected. Nothing damage should happen to us. Then that is called our buddhi. Then we will not go and fall in the ditch here. Why we don't fall in the ditch or we don't go into the river, sea to submerge, because we may die. The fear is there. That is why we are careful. So, but the person who doesn't have that intellect, he doesn't know what he is doing. A small child, you don't know what they don't know, understand. They go and catch the fire also. They don't know it will burn them. So like that thing, nacha buddhi, na asti buddhi, ayuktasya, nacha ayuktasya bhavana. He doesn't have feelings also. he doesn't have feelings or he doesn't think. For example, some person is there, he should have that bhavam. But this is my house, this is my father, this is my mother, this is my wife, this is my son, this is my daughter, he is my friend, he is good to me, I am good to him. Like that, the kind of bhavana is there. Now we are sitting here as a devotees, that bhavam of Bhagavad Gita, we are sitting here, that bhavam. But na asti buddhi ayuktasya, na cha ayuktasya bhavana. That bhavana is not there. There are so many people who go around but they don't bother. The bhavam is not there. अरे भगवद गीता सुनना है, भगवद गीता में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते, स्पेंड करना है. That bhavam is not there. That is why they don't come here, they don't read at all, they don't care for it. That bhavam is important. Na bhavana, na cha abhavayata shanti. So such people they don't get peace of mind. Na cha abhavayata, bhavayata and abhavayata. Abhavayata shanti. Na cha abhavayata shanti. So na abhavayata shanti, then they don't get the peace of mind. Ashantasya kutasukam. So the person says, if I don't have peace of mind, or if you don't have peace of mind, how will you get that sukham, pleasure, pleasantness? Once you are not peaceful, mind is restless. ठीक है sir? How will you be peaceful? How will you be happy? That happiness is sukham. So that sukham is to such people it is not there. It means to whom the sukham will be there? Sukham will be there to buddhi, the person with buddhi and yukta, and such people will have bhavana, paramatma bhavana, and to such people the peace of mind will be there, and to such people sukham will be there. So sir, indriyanam, again he is telling, Lord Krishna is telling the power of the senses. Indriyanam hi charatam yan mano anuvidhyate tadasya harati pragyam vayunam. So he says that senses are so powerful that but if we keep following that senses, if I see, for example, we see some people say a beautiful lady, they keep following. So some people say money, you do this trade business, you do share market business, you do this lottery business, you do this business, you keep getting money. So indriyanam hi charatam, and money is coming, beautiful woman and they are running around. Drink alcohol, liquor, they are drinking and drinking. So indriyanam hi charatam. Charatam means moving. Yan mano, that mind gets attached. That mind which is running after the indriyas, anuvidhyate, follows it up. Tadasya harati pragyam. Harati pragyam. Pragyam is the intellect. That intellect, harati. That indriyanam harati. So for example, indriyas are there are four people here. One is the indriyanam, indriyas. So, yan mano anuvidyate, mind. Indriyanam, senses and mind. Indriyanam harati. So, indriyanam each charatam, yan mano anuvidyate. Along the senses, the mind keeps following. ठीक है sir? So, tadasya harati pragyam vayu naome vamasi. That pragya will be, ठीक है sir? The pragya will be, pragya is jnanam, knowledge. That will be lost. So, like I have got knowledge and you have got knowledge, right? Everybody has got knowledge. But knowledge is there. But knowledge is to be utilized properly. Knowledge is to be applied properly. But why don't we apply? Because our senses are say, capturing our mind, and mind is following it up. Two-way traffic. Senses are capturing the mind, and mind is following the senses. To such people, harati pragyam. Such people, the pragya, the intellect will be lost. How? An example is saying vayu naome vamasi. That air is there, no? Vayu, that big wind will come. Navami ivamasi. That boat is there, no? In the sea. In that boat direction, it moves as per the wind direction it goes. If the wind is coming this side, the boat will go. It will go like this because wind is pushing it up. If wind is coming from this side and then pushing it up, and it will go like that. If wind is coming from this side and then pushing it up, it will go like this. So Vayu now see, like the boat is being pushed away by the wind, powerful wind. Our senses and mind will push the knowledge, absolutely. So then our mind knowledge is lost. So sir, Tasma, then he is giving a solution. How to save from it. God is Krishna is so merciful, sir. Lord Krishna, all merciful. He is giving a solution to this also. So he is saying Tasma, that is why, therefore, Mahabaho. Tasma Yasya Mahabaho. He is addressing, he is encouraging you and me. He is encouraging Arjuna also. Don't get worried. Mahabaho, you are still all powerful. You can control it. You can control. Tasmat Yasya Mahabaho. Nigruhitani Sarvasaha Indriyani Indriyardhebhya Tasya Pragya Pratishta. Therefore, he says if you control your senses from the sense objects, Sarvasaha. If you control your senses from the sense objects, Sarvasaha, from all ways, all possible ways, Tasya Pragya Pratishta. So such people Pragya, like for example, I control my senses. Yes, sir. Nigruhitani Sarvasaha Indriyani Indriyadhyabhya. So if I control my senses from the sense objects, for example, I go to my home, my wife say, keep singing a good Sangeetam song and all those things, Shastriya Sangeetam, and I get absorbed in it, but I don't get too much absorbed in it. Otherwise, she yells at me in anger and all. She speaks to me about where have you gone, why this, why that. You're absent from here for the past 1 hour. I don't know. A lot of problems are there in the home. This and she will go immediately. Do this, and she shouts at me. But I should not get disturbed immediately. So that kind of a thing. Or some phone call comes, something says, I get disturbed. I should not get disturbed. So nigruhitani sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhya tasya pragya pratishtha. Or I switch on the TV and the news will start coming, and I get some news, some channel is there, some bus is gone somewhere, some train is somewhere, some plane crash is somewhere. I keep crying here. That is not no. So nigruhitani sarvasaha indriyani indriyardhebhya. Indriyardhebhya means the sense objects, sound, touch, smell. So this is indriyardhebhya. We have to control the senses of the sense objects. Tasya pragya pratishta. So such people pragya will be. It will not go away. So this is what today, sir. Then he says ki ya nisha sarvabhutanam tasya jagrati sayami ya yasyam jagrati bhutani sa nisha pashyati. For example, everybody thought thinking that why to waste 1 hour time here in Bhagavad Gita. So they're not coming here. But what we are doing, we are attending it. So ya nisha sarvabhutanam tasya jagrati samviti. Jagrati, we are alert. No, we must spend 1 hour for Bhagavad Gita. It's important. Like this, we are Jagrati, Sanyami, self-controlled. We are self-controlled. That is why we have come here. Sanyami. Now, Yasya Jagrati Bhutani Sa Nisha Pashyate Mune. Muni. Now today, God is elevating you and me, or all these devotees who are listening to Bhagavad Gita. Sa Nisha Pashyate Mune. Muni. He is making you Muni. Elevating the status from ordinary human life to Muni, that kind of thing. So how such people Yashyam Jagrati Bhutani Sa Nisha Pashyate. So for example, here right now big party is going on, disco is going on, good food is going on, chicken biryani, mutton biryani, all these people are going, drinks are going on. But say Yasya Jagrati Bhutani, a lot of people go and enjoy all these things. Sa Nisha Pashyate Mune, that we think is as a night. Yeah, making the Dhalla, but we don't go and participate in that. It's like, not happening. It's not attracting as a. So, such people are not attractive. They're self-controlled. Apurya Manam, then two more slokas he is telling in chapter 2. He is telling us our qualities, how should we be. So, we should be like Muni also. Okay, sir? We should be Jagarti Sayami. We should be Jagarti, alert, awake and self-control. He is telling us. Apurya Manam Achala Pratishtam Samudram Apa Pravashanti Yadvat Tadvat Kamayam Pravashanti Sarve Sa Shantim Aptoti Na Kama Kami. You say he is telling us you should be like this sea, we should be like a sea, or we should be like an ocean. We, human beings, you and me, are all devotees. We should be like sea or ocean. How? Why? Apurya manam achala pratishtam. It doesn't move. Sea is there in Vizag, sea is there in Chennai, and all beaches are there. But it doesn't flood every time. It doesn't come out. It stays 99% in its own place. Achala pratishtam, except that tsunamis and all that. Otherwise, achala pratishtam. Achala, chalam, achalam. So achalam, it stays there. Sea is there, beach is there. We are walking on the beach, seashore, we don't have to be afraid of it. Because that doesn't come and swallow. So apurya manam. So it keeps getting filled up every time. Rains are happening. Rivers are flowing into the sea. And say Ganga river, Godavari river, Krishna river, Kaveri river, Tungabhadra river, many rivers are flowing into sea now, right now, throughout. But although rivers are flowing constantly, but it doesn't raise, and it should raise. So somebody is putting weight on you and me. One time we collapse, but water is filling in. It doesn't move out. So it should be like that. Apurya manam achala pratishtam samudra mapa. We should be like a sea. Pravashanti sajadvat tadvat. In the same way as the river, many rivers waters are entering into the sea. In the same way, tadvat kamayam pravashanti sir. Many desires will keep entering us. Even then we should not move. Sa shantim apnoti na kama kama. Tadvat kamayam pravashanti sarve. Many desires right now will keep entering in our mind. इधर मेहनत की या ये करना है, घर बनाना है, घर खरीदना है, प्लॉट करना है, कार खरीदना है, नया कार करना है, ओल्ड कार को बेचना है, शादी अटेंड करना है, यार नया जॉब ढूंढना है, शेयर मार्केट करना है, काम बहुत सारे डिजायर्स will keep entering our mind. But even then we should not get stable. We could not be disturbed. We could not be disturbed. We should be stable, like sea or ocean. To such people, they get shanti, peace, they get peace of mind. Na kama kami, na kama kami. हाँ, okay, शेयर में इन्वेस्ट करना है, हाँ, गोल्ड खरीद लेना है, ओके, मुंबई चले जाना है, ओके, दिल्ली चले जाना है, ओके, पार्टी अटेंड करना है, ओके, 5 स्टार होटल बना देना है, तो वो कामा कामी. So to such people, na kama kami, such people they don't kama kami, na shanti apnoti. Such people don't get peace of mind. There's the look they are already happening and all that thing. They don't get peace of mind. Shanti. Na. ठीक है sir? So we should be like ocean. We should be stable. We should not get moved out. अच्छा sir, next जो है विहाय कामान्य सर्वान् पुमां चरति निष्कुहा निर्ममा निरहंकारः स शांतिम् अधिगच्छति. I repeat this. Vihaya kamanya sarvan puman sharati nishpuha. God is addressing you and me in Pumam, Punyatma, Pumam, Punyatma. He is always praising us. He says Muni, he says Yuktaha, he says Yogi, he says Puman, Punyatma, Mahabaho. It's not like all other addressers talk to us in a derogatory manner. He is telling us with great respect. He is calling us yogi. To all people he is calling yogi. Yogi, Yuktaha, Punyatma, Puman, Mahabaho. Such things God is addressing Arjuna, you and me, to all mankind. See how merciful God is, how kind God is. He is not talking, although he is all powerful, he is not talking in any lower manner. He is praising us, respecting us, he is addressing us, Pumam, Punyatma. So Vihaya Kamanya Sarvan, Puman Charati Nispruha, Nirmama Nirahankara, Shashanti Madhurachati. Such people will get the Nirmama Nirahankara. After mostly you have to shed your desires. Shed your desires, then like the ocean, though all rivers enter, it doesn't get, flowed, it get, what is that called, agitated. Similarly, we should not get agitated. So such people get Shantim Adhigachati. Nirmama Nirahankara. They should not be ego. Nirahankara. Okay, sir? Ahankaram, Nirahankaram. Ahankaram is for the body, Nirahankaram is for the soul. Esha Brahmis, this is Brahmisthiti. This is the divine state. You human beings, we can get it. The ant cannot get it, the birds cannot get it, but you and me, if we try, we can get it. Brahmesthiti. Esha Brahmesthiti Pardha na yenam prapya vimuhyati stitva asyam antakale api brahma nirvana ruchati. This is the divine state. In this divine state, if you remain in this, even at the time of death, you will get the Brahma Nirvana Ruchati. Brahma Nirvana, you will reach the God, divine God. He is giving us a scope and chance. There is a positive attitude in this. There is a scope, possibility is there. One thing is that possibility is there. Second one is no possibility is there. Okay. One is positive feeling, second one is negative. He is talking positive to everybody. Whole mankind is telling. Esa Brahmesthiti Pardhana, Yenam Prapya Vimuhyati, Stitva Asya Mantakale Api Brahma Nirvana. Everybody can reach God. So sir, today thing is, but otherwise if you give for 5 minutes more, 10 minutes more, we'll learn with this only today one more topic. With this only, we were talking about Sattva Rajas Tamo Gunas. It is there with us. We need to understand also thoroughly. It's a divine play, which we need to understand. Then what happens is we will try to control it also. We are helpless people. You are helpless, I am helpless, everybody is helpless because of 3 gunas. Then what happens is we need to protect ourselves and then lead ourselves from these 3 gunas. It's possible. Then we can save ourselves. Otherwise we cannot save ourselves. We will get absorbed in this. So Sattva Rajas Tamo Guna chapter 14 is there. What he says is, there are Sattva Gunam, Rajo Gunam, there is Tamo Gunam. 3 gunas are there. So I'll quickly go through what is this. Sattva, Rajas, Tama, Ituguna. Firstly, I'll focus on Sattva Gunam. Secondly, I'll focus on thirdly, Tamo Gunam. Sattva, Rajas, Sattvam, Raja, Tama, Ituguna, Prakruti Sambhava. Nibadhanti Mahabaho Dehe Dehinam. Nibadhanti, they tie, they bind. Bandhanti, Nibadhanti, they tie us. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Gunas, they tie to everybody. Be it a man or a woman or a president of America, president of India, chief minister of Telangana, or anybody, auto wala, school wala, hotel manager, hospital wala, doctor, lawyer, scientist, to everybody. Sattvam, Rajas, Tama, Ituguna, Prakriti, these are born of Prakriti. Their Prakriti separate force, power. It has got its own power. Nibadhanti Mahabaho Dehe Dehina. ठीक है सर. Tatra, now focusing on Sattvam. Tatra Sattvam Nirmalatvat Prakashikam Anamayam Sukha Sangyena Badnati Jnana Sangyena Che Anaka. Nirmalatvat Prakashikam Anamayam Sukha Sangyena or Jnana Sangyena. Sukham and Jnana. Like we are sitting here comfortably, Sukham and Jnanam. Now we are in the mode of Sattvam right now. So Raja Tamacha Vibhuya Sattvam Bhavati Bhavati. Then how this Sattvam is coming? It suppresses Rajas and Tamas. And then Rajas Tamas Abhibhuya Sattvam Bhavati Bharata. Now everybody is there in the home, my wife is there, my children are there, my son is there, everything is there, all things is good, food is there, breakfast is there. Still Rajas Abhibhuya, Tamas, don't sleep now, go. Rajas Tamas Abhibhuya Sattvam Bhavati Bharata. Now go and attend the Bhagavad Gita Satsanga. So Sattvam has to come, sir. Okay, sir. We will see in Rajas and next this thing Tamas also. So Sattvam comes up by pressing down, suppressing the Rajas and Tamas. Now Sarvadvareshu Dehe Ashwin Prakasha Upajayate Jnanam Yada Tada Vidyat Vivridam Sattvam Iti Uta. Like for example, Sarvadvareshu right now, you are Sarvadvareshu, you are listening, you are seeing me, you are listening and you are feeling the sound and all this thing. So Sarvadvareshu, from all these dwaras, I am also speaking Bhagavad Gita, reading Bhagavad Gita, I am looking at you. ठीक है sir? Sarvadvareshu Dehe Asmin Dehe, in this body, your body, my body. Asmin Dehe, Sarvadvareshu, Prakasha Upajayate, the light comes up, and Jnanam Yada Tada Vidyat Vivridam Sattvam Vitrita. So light comes up, and then Jnanam also Yada Tada Vidyat Vivridam Sattvam Vitrita. Jnanam also Vivridam. Now, right now, Jnanam is increasing in you and me. Developing and increasing in you and me right now. Or whoever is listening to Bhagavad Gita. यदा सत्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदा उत्तमविधां लोकान् अमलान्. So right now in such stage, we keep doing satsanga, Bhagavad Gita satsanga every day. One day while doing it, one day I leave this body or you leave this body. And then what happens? Yada sattve pravruddhe to pralayam yati dehabhrit. Pralayam. Pralayam means death. Dehabhrit. Tada uttama vidam lokaramanam. They will straight away go to uttama vidam lokam. That not that this Sargapara, Kamatmana, Sargapara, Bhogaiswarya, not that kind of thing. Tada uttama vidam lokan amalan. Such place, there are places there when we go there. There again people keep doing pious puja, tapas and all those things, focusing on God only. All pious people, they're not, no drinking, no dancing, nothing. Only praying God. Uttama vidam lokan tapas, they keep doing it. Amalan pratipajyati. They reach that, they attain that. This is the advantage of this Bhagavad Gita satsanga. So, sattvam sukhe sanjayati, this sattvam sukhe sanjayati, the sattvakam nirmalam phalam, sattva sanjayate jnanam, sukham is happening, sukham comes up, is produced right now, and jnanam also being produced right now. Otherwise jnanam doesn't happen like that. But in this sattvaguna mode, jnanam is produced. Sukham and jnanam, then nirmala phalam, then urdhvam gachanti sattvastha, then people go up. Urdhvam. This is the earth is the middle part. Again, they are born as a human beings. Those rajas and tamas we'll see. But the sattva, sattvic people, they are not reborn here as human beings or animals and all. Urdhvam gachanti sattvastha. They go up. They are the higher worlds. So this is what it is. Next, rajas we'll see, then tamas we'll see. Rajo ragatmakam vidhi prushnasanga samuddham tanibadhnati kaunteya karma sangyana dehi. So this is straight away creates a desire, ragatmakam, likes and dislikes. Dvandvam. Like, either you like me or you dislike me. If you like the person, dislike the person. I like you or I dislike you. I like the food which I eat or I dislike the food I eat. Rajo ragatmakam vidhi prushnasanga samuddham. Desires are there in it. Out chahiye. Last time I met a lot of people. I met one gentleman. Every time he meets me, और वो दे दो, ये दे दो, कैंटीन से ये दे दो, keep me. Kept on giving me for years together, and recently my sense of my intellect awakened. What is he doing with me? He's endless. Every time he sees me, he can say every time. Yes, sir. So then I told my wife, no, such a greedy fellow, never-ending desires. So ragatmakam, the trushnasanga samuddham. Desires are, thirst is never fulfilled. I said to cut it off. I have no connection. The moment I realized it, I told her, cutting it off, finish. I am sattvic, no connection with rajasic and tamasic. And so my wife has agreed with me. Okay, as you like. So we stopped. So ragatmakam with the trushnasanga samuddham, that desire is never fulfilled. There are some people who keep trying to exploit you, cheat you. Yes, sir. But then that is ragatmakam, the rajogunam. Yes, sir. Krishna-sanga samuddham. And badnati kaunteya karma sangyana dehanam. It makes us to do a lot of activities also. Yes, sir. Raja karmani sanjayati. Rajasu karmani sanjayati. Otherwise karma, na kartutvu, na karmani, na karma phala sanyogo, lokasu sudhipevu. Swabhavastu pravartate. He said that. But here rajogunam is creating the karmani, raja karmani. God is not creating to you, to me, some works and all that. Now I don't have to run error anywhere, but my rajogunam only will make me to go there. That is what it is. Sattvam tama cha abhipuya raja bhavati paraka. So rajogunam, when it comes up, it suppresses the sattvam. All good things it suppresses. Jnanam suppresses, sukham suppresses, and pramada nidra, alasya nidra, all sleep, it suppresses. But so rajogunam comes up. Okay, sir? Lobha pravruti arambha karmanam ashmaha spruha rajasi etani jayante vibhuddhi krima. And the rajogunam is there, lobham, greediness, pravruti, arambha, karmanam ashmaha spruha. All the things will come. If some rajogunam fellow is there, greedy fellow, if he says कि sir वो मेरे को भी 1 लाख दे दो, मैं जाना है दुबई जाना है, you said I don't have that money, I don't know. He will get angry. इधर नहीं, कल शाम को पार्टी करो, तुम्हारे घर में पार्टी करना है. Yeah, no, I don't know. You will get angry. Or he says, no, tomorrow I'm giving a party in the hotel. You come there. No, I don't have some other work. He will get angry because कर्मणाम अश्मा स्पृहा स्पृहा रस्य तो लोभ प्रवृत्ति आरंभः कर्मणाम अश्मा स्पृहा रस्य जानते Rajasi Pralinga, such people when they die, keep enjoying party, drink, and die. Rajasi Pralinga, so karma sangyus, they again reborn as a human. God is so kind. One is like your Bhaktas, Sattvaguram, he is giving us Devalokas, Loka Namalan Prakriti. Okay, sir? That's a very pious thing if we get it, is like nothing like it in our life. Divya Lokas and all comforts and Sukham Jnanam is there in that. So with that he will give us a life, good life. Here, there again, karma sangyus jayega. Then again reborn and all this thing. Keep doing this work, keep doing that work, keep this thing, all the things. No? So karma sangyus jayega. No, rajasu to phalam dukkham. All the phalam ultimately is dukkham. Phalam is dukkham only. Sattvam there is sukham. Rajasam dukkham is there. You do a number of things, you know. You construct even Taj Mahal, another Taj Mahal, still dukkham. The Shah Jahan died in dukkham only. Though he constructed Taj Mahal, his own son Aurangzeb has presented him right in front of Agra, Taj Mahal, and then he made a jail in that fort. He made him keep saying that he still have died. Keep saying that the Taj Mahal, he keep Taj Mahal, so beautiful thing, is a king, he is emperor. He was put in jail, and then he died. He changed out of hunger and all these things. He could never enjoy the beauty of Taj Mahal. So, Rajasa Phalam Dukkham. It's not that Shah Jahan made Taj Mahal and Shah Jahan died peacefully and happily. By looking at Taj Mahal only, he died, ha ha ha, Taj Mahal, ha. It never happened like that. He was in Dukkham, Rajasam. Okay, sir? And while constructing the Taj Mahal also, he made all the, once the construction was completed, which is there in the history of the records, he made all these people who were carpenters and masons and everybody. He told them, put your hands, the king ordered, put your hands like this, soldiers ordered like this. And they cut the hands like this. So that the
No other fellows can make Taj Mahal.
should make it. That, so Rajasa Phalam Dukkham, Karmanam Ashamaha. Okay, sir? So, it doesn't reduce. That is Rajasikam. Okay, sir? Then Rajasi Pralingata Karma Sangyasa, Rajasa Phalam Dukkham. Rajasa Samjayate Lobaha. Madhya Distance Rajasa. That's why we've been knowing all this. We should try to reduce the Rajasa Bhasiguram in you and me. We should try to reduce it. We should try to make it zero. That is it. No? Tamas. Tamasa to Ajnanam Vidhi Mohanam Sarvadehinam. Pramada Alasa Nidravi Tanipuna. The people like Kumbhakarna keep sleeping only.
6 minutes.
So keep sleeping only. This is tamasam, ajnanam again. There is sleep so because they don't know everything. Once we are awakened only, that's what yesterday we discussed. Once we are awakened, Jagruti Avastha only, we are no, because you are Jagruti, I am Jagruti Avastha. We are coming here, sitting and reading Bhagavad Gita intentionally. We know what we are talking. We know what we are speaking, what you are listening. See, because Jagruti Avastha. Tamasa ajnanam vidhi mohanam sarvadehinam. Pramada alasa nidra. If you keep sleeping, how can we read Bhagavad Gita? Tannipadnadi Bharata. Jnanam avritatu tamaha pramada sanjayatu. It covers up the jnanam. And then after once knowledge is covered, I don't know whether I'm doing a good thing or wrong thing. So pramada sanjayatu. Pramadam, the danger is created. For example, police fellow is coming. Jnanam avritatu tamaha pramada sanjayatu. I don't know, it's covered up to me, I don't know. I go and slap him. He will immediately slap me and put me in the jail. Or I was going on the road, some school children are going, I drive, I don't apply brakes and run over them. Then Jnanam Avrityatu Tamaha Pramada Sanjati. It covered up Jnanam, so this Tamasic Gunam, I don't bother. I said, so Pramadam, danger is created by the Tamasic. Sattvam Raja Tada Abhipuya Tamas Bhavati Bharata. When the tamas comes up, both sattvam is suppressed and rajas also suppressed. So when it sleeps, okay, mujhe sone do, that's all. Mujhe kuch nahi karna. That's some example. Tamasic guna, sone do. Peene do, sone do. So sattvam is gone, no activity, no prakasham, no knowledge. Rajas also, no karma is also there. They keep drinking it. So there is aprakasha apravritticha pramada moha yevacha tamasi etani jayante. When at the time of day, if we are at the time of the tamasic gunam, at the time of day, then aprakasha apravritticha pramada moha yevacha tamasi etani jayante viruddhi kunam. At the time when they, at the time of death, when the tamasic is there, then they will go to the aprakasha apravritta pramada moha yevacha. Animals, all animals. You don't know snake what it is doing, it doesn't know. What the animal, what the tiger is doing, it doesn't know. Yes, sir. What the elephant is doing, it doesn't know. So it's all aprakasha apravritta pramado moha yevacha. That kind of. But they are also jivatmas, but they don't know what they are doing. So that kind of thing. So lower levels. All these ants are all this thing. Tamasi etani jayanti. Tada pralina tamasi moda yonishu jayate. Tada pralina tamasi moda yonishu. Deva moda yoni, deva yoni, manishya yoni. Huh, sir? Moda yoni. That kind of thing. Ajnanam tamasaha phalam. The fruit of the ajnana is, the fruit of tamasa is ajnanam, ignorance. That is why we are all ignorant. We are all ignorant. We don't know what is. We don't know. I don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. I don't know what is going to happen in the next 5 minutes. I don't know. What is going to happen in the next 1 hour. I don't know. So ajnanam. So tamasa phalam. And also when they do their activity, they don't know what is going to happen. Like so, for example, Ravan has abducted Sita. People have advised him. Maricha has advised him. He don't abduct Sita. Sita herself has abducted. Sita Mata herself has told Ravan, please don't abduct me. My husband is Rama is a very powerful man. I am Rajkumari. I am his wife. Please don't abduct me. But then he ajnanam tamasa phalam. Tamasic gunam. He's also got a lot of tamasic gunam. Nobody can defeat me. No? Ajnanam. That ajnanam is the phalam. Ajnanam, ignorance. With that ignorance only he got killed. His whole Lanka is burned. Ajnanam, ignorance. One is knowledge. One is knowledge. Similarly, for example, his own brother Vibhishana has approached Rama, please save me. As a jnanam. Ajnanam is Raman. Similarly, Vali and Sugriv. Sugriv has approached Rama, so he is jnanam. Ajnanam is Vali. What you should have approached me, I would have done this. So how could you have killed me? Nobody can kill him. So ajnanam tamasa phalam. Pramada moha bhavati tamaso bhavati ajnanam. So for pramada moho tamaso bhavati ajnanam. From this from ajnanam, from this tamasic gunam, what is happening is pramadam moham ajnanam bhavati. Three things happen. Will happen in concept. Pramadam, danger, moham, attachment, and ignorance, ajnanam, ignorance. So danger, attachment, and ignorance. All the three things will arise from the tamasic guna. So jaganya guna vruttishta adho gachanti tamasa. So adho gachanti, they become adho gachanti, adalokam. All these animals and all these creatures and all these things. Adho lokam. One is urdhva lokam. Second one is madhya lokam. Adho lokam is patal lokam. They tamasic people do it. So this I wanted to cover it up, sir. Otherwise, today's topic, that's why in chapter 245 he says, Traigunya Vishya Veda. 4 slokas are there, I'll cover it up and sum it up. So he says that in chapter 14:5, Sattvam Raja Tama Ituguna Prakrut Sambhava Nibandhanji Mahabhaho Dehe Dehena. This we covered it up. Nahi Kachit Kshanamafi Jadu Tishriti Akarmakrut Karyatehi Avashya Karma Sarva Prakriti Jai Gunai. Nobody can remain seated without doing any action. They will do some other action. Either Sattvic Guna action like we are doing Bhagavad Gita Satsang right now, or some Rajasic Gunam somewhere going around and playing cards or eating food and all that. A Tamasic Guna keeps sleeping. Nahi kshanam kachit kshanam api tisrati jatu tisrati akarmakrut karitehi avasha karma sarva prakriti. All these creatures, all these crores of billions of people, 140 crore people in India, and in the world there are about say 850 crore people. All these people, they keep doing, they can't, nobody can sit alone. Right now the chief minister is some work, the prime minister is some work, the next minister is some work, doing some work. No, everybody is some work. Housewife is doing some work, doctor is doing some work, nurse is doing some work, patient is doing some work, school student is doing some work, professor is doing some work. Nobody sits alone. Police wala is doing some work, traffic controls and all that. So trains are going, flights are going, ships are going. Nahi kachit kshanam api, not even a single minute, moment. Jadu tishrati akarmakrut, akarmakrut, karmakrut, akarmakrut. Without doing any inaction, nobody can sit here. Like we are doing right now, we are doing an action, karma. That's Sattva Guru, we are attending Bhujkita Satsangam, so that we are doing it. So otherwise we cannot sit alone like without doing any activity. Sattva is there, that is it is making us to do this activity. Karitehi avasha karma sarva prakriti jai guna. Prakriti say born of the prakriti only. Now another thing is na tadasti, chapter 18:40. Na tadasti prudhivyam va divi deveshu va punaha sattvam prakriti jai muktam yadevi syat trivi gunai. No, nobody is there in the prudhvi va divi va deveshu, either on the earth or in this Swargam, Divi Lokam, Swarga Lokam, or Uddha Lokas, Va Deveshu, or all these gods, various gods, like Indra god, Sun god, Varun god, Kubera, all these gods are there, many gods are there. Surya, Chandra, Agni, Varuna, Shanka, Pratapati, all these gods are there. Mangala Deva and all these, Shani Deva, all these gods are there. Now, Tataste Prudevya, Va Divi, Va Deveshu, Va Punaha. Sattvam prakriti jai muktam, na prakriti jai muktam, yadepi syat trivi gunai. From this, the trivi gunai, out of the three gunas born of the prakriti, nobody is free from this. Nobody is free from these three gunas. Everybody, Mata Sattva Gunam Mata, Mata Rajagunam Mata, Mata Tamagunam Mata, captures all these guys. Captures everything. All these guys, right, sir? So this is the power of the three gunas. So you and me, as we would be coming to know through Bhagavad Gita, so we have to learn what to reduce Rajasic and to reduce Tamasic to zero, and to increase the Sattva Gunam, and so that the next topic we'll try to cover it up when you come back, and we'll cover fully on the Sattvam and Rajas and Tamas, that is in chapter 17 and chapter 18 there. So that is the thing. And also further. Okay? So today's satsangam is over. So with this, we'll conclude it and we'll say 3 times Omkaram chanting. Om Tatsat.
Om Tat
Sarvam Sri Krishnarpana Vastu.
Sarvam Sri Krishna.
Loka Samasta Sukhna Bhavantu.
Loka Samasta Sukha.
Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu.
Sarve Jana Sukha.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.